want to say that, boy? Why? Who wants to target me? Who wants to target me?
I do.
Boy, you think it's funny?
Clinton Steel! Lava chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell.
You're supposed to kill this cannibal!
La la la, it's your turn.
You got that
Clinton Steel!
He said the N-word! He said the N-word! He said the N-word! He said the N-word! I swear to God, he said it. Nigga, I swear to God. I swear to God.
Why did you kill me, Purple?
Wait.
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 Shake it, jockey!